Hey everybody, welcome to another Cinema 4D quick tip. Today we're going to be grabbing the bull by the horns, or at least the camera by the null, to get more precise control over our camera movement. So to keep things simple, I have a cube here and we want to rotate around this cube 180 degrees. So to do that, let's create a camera and we'll go into that. I'm going to move this camera off to the side of the cube. That'll work fine there. Now let's set some keyframes at frame 1. Now let's go to frame 60. And I'll rotate this camera around the cube and set some more keyframes in the transform area. I'm doing the X, Y, and Z position and rotation. And as we brace ourselves for greatness, we press the play button and we're extremely disappointed in the results. Alright, let's take a look at what happened. I'm going to get out of this camera and zoom out so we can get a better look. And we notice this path here is straight. So even though our camera is rotating, it's just doing it on this straight line. Now this is salvageable, but to fix it, we'd have to go in and add an additional point or keyframe somewhere in the middle of this path and pull this out and retime it. And this could end up being time consuming to get the smooth motion we're looking for. So if you're thinking there must be a better way, well, there is. Let's jump over to this other project I have. We've got another cube here. Let's create a new camera. And for this one, let's come to the transform and just zero all the position and rotation coordinates out. Now let's move the camera back, maybe somewhere in here, just to frame up the cube. We'll take another look through our camera real quick. Now for this one, let's create a null and we'll name this something like cam controller. And we're going to drop this camera into the cam controller null. Perfect. Let's look through our camera real quick once again. And this time with the cam controller null selected, I'm going to go back down to the transform area. And on the first frame, set a keyframe with the rotation at 0, go up to frame 60, and we'll set another keyframe with the rotation at 180 degrees. And there we go, a nice smooth rotation. But let's not stop there. Let's select our camera this time, and we'll raise it up in the Y about 500 units. Come over here to our rotation and we'll tilt the camera down some, maybe, I don't know, negative 18 degrees. Press play, and look at that. A nice, smooth, easy rotation around the cube. So that's just one example of how nulls can give us more control over our camera movement. As always, hope this helps you. Thanks again for watching.